Hello student, welcome back to our craft activity. Today, we're gonna make this bookmark. So, you can put the bookmark after you make this one on the top of the book, like this. This bookmark picture is orangutan. Orangutan is one of Indonesian authentic animal that live in Kalimantan Island. Prepare your craft material package and glue. First, take your craft material package and open it. You're gonna get this brown paper. The head of orangutan. The beard of orangutan. The face and the mouth of orangutan. First, take your brown square paper and fold it. You're gonna fold diagonal. So you're gonna get the triangle shape like this. Next, you're gonna fold again diagonal. So you're gonna get the small triangle shape. Open this side, fold in the middle, so you're gonna get the diamond shape like this. And then you're gonna open this side, take the top of the paper and fold downside and then press. Next, you're gonna put this side on the top and the other side on the top and put one side into the middle here and the other side into the middle here. So you're gonna get this shape. Put this paper aside. Then take the head of orangutan. Take your glue. Put glue on it at the back side. And you're gonna get this paper, the diamond brown paper that you fold before. Make sure you stick the head of orangutan on the top here and press it. Put aside. Next, you're gonna take the face with eyes of orangutan. Put glue at the back side. And stick the face part in the middle of the head and press it. Next, take the beard part, put glue on it, and stick on the bottom side here in the middle and press it. Now take the nose and the mouth part, put glue on it, and stick in the middle on the beard here. Ta-da! This is our orangutan bookmark. I hope you have fun. Bye-bye. See you next time.